welcome back to the video brought to you by Simone Nicole TV and my song What? Period poo. So in today's video, I'll be talking to you guys about stuffing, of course. We're going to be stuffing 2 more envelopes from my 10,000 savings challenge, which is the honeycomb challenge. And I'll be introducing you to 2 other challenges I'm going to start in the month of February. I've already prepped those envelopes. Before we get to that, we're going to go ahead and discuss the honeycomb challenge. So this is the 10,000 savings challenge, and it is 52 weeks. 5, 2, 52 weeks. You have 1 envelope per week that you stuff. So right now, I believe we are in week 3 of January. Let's see. Let us see. Oh, I ain't right. The calendar. Okay, so yeah, today's Friday. Happy Friday. We're in week 3 of January. It is the 21st. So we're gonna stuff 1 envelope. Well, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do 2, to be honest. We're gonna go ahead and do 2, I think. Get it out the way, because why not? So this video will be 2 envelopes once again. If you want to know how I set up everything, go ahead and watch my first video. It's titled 100 envelope challenge for the 2-week challenge. I'm discussing those challenges in that video. So yeah, let's go ahead and take the envelopes out. And I put the ones in the back that we've already stuffed. So we have a 50 and we have a 75 for week 1 and 2 of January. Put this over here. And then these are the envelopes that we have left. So 52 minus 2 is 50 more envelopes to go. So here's the cash that we have withdrawn over this week. This money is money that I've made through DoorDashing. Like I said before, when the pandemic started, not when it started, of course, because no one was able to go anywhere initially. But after things got a little bit better, they started mandating us to do things like wearing masks, and once people got the vaccination shots, boosters, people became more cautious of how to move in these COVID and Omarion now streets.
New Year's Rockin' Eve, it's Omarion. Now, I know that there has been a lot of confusion online recently, so my lawyers asked me to read this. I, Omarion, am a musician and entertainer. You knew that, not a variant.
So ever since that has been put into place, I have felt comfortable enough to go out on DoorDash, like I discussed in the first video of my savings and budgeting challenge, that I like to do this on the side. It's actually pretty easy. You're your own boss. Take lunch break whenever you want to. And it's just extra cash. I actually go back to work but next month on February. I go back to working. So I'm hoping that I'll still have time to DoorDash on the side, because I actually do enjoy it. I do enjoy it. You can really make good money DoorDashing. So yeah, anyone out there is DoorDashing, or someone's DoorDashing, let me know, how has that journey been for you? There's also other options like Postmates and there's grocery ones. What is it called? I can't remember the name of them. There's Uber Eats. There's all kinds of different platforms to make some extra money, have a side hustle money. So yeah, so we separate that. So let's go back to the iPad. Go ahead and stuff 2 more envelopes, just to end the month of January. Get it out the way. So hopefully this isn't too bright. Can y'all see? Maybe I should turn the lighting down a little bit. It might be a bit too bright. That's much better. Okay, so we done the 1575, like I said before. Let's count how much money that we have for these 2 weeks of stuffing. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 101, 2, 3, 4. We have $104. So let's look at our options here. So what I could do is just stuff 1 envelope. We don't want to do that. We want to stuff 2, because there's definitely 100s here. There's like 1, 2, 3, Yeah, about 3 of them, I think. Just 3. But I think what I'm end up doing is doing the same thing that I did. Let's see. 50 and 75 is 125. So I don't have enough to do 50 and a 75 these 2 weeks. So let's do, I see a 50. And I see is there only one 50? I see a 50. Oh, there's 2 50s. I see 2 50s here. Okay, so we're gonna do 2 50s for this week's envelope stuffing. Let's see. Oh, there goes one right there. And one more 50. Some of the envelopes. How's everyone's month been so far? How has the first month of the new year been for you? Good news, bad news, any news? Comment down below. Have you been successful in your New Year resolution if you have been doing a New Year resolution thus far? Initially this year, I didn't really think I had a New Year's resolution, but I guess doing this right here could be considered a New Year's resolution. Just trying to save money, become better at saving. I don't think that I'm bad at saving money, but I'm the type of person that if I have extra cash in my purse, I don't think, oh, let me put that back in my savings account. No, I think, okay, I'm gonna go to Starbucks. But because we have goals this year, ladies and gents, we're not gonna be going to Starbucks every day, twice a day. We're gonna be saving. Okay, so we have 2 50s right here. I'm gonna go ahead and stuff them. So let's see, 20, 40, 45, 50, and again, 20, 40, 45, 50. So we have those 2. We're gonna go ahead and stuff these in the envelopes. Here we go. And again, 20, 40, 45, 50. So there we are, and we have an extra $1, $2, $3, $4 left over that I cannot do anything with at the moment. We can always put that back in the purse, save that for later. I feel like that's when it's okay to go get a Starbucks drink. Now, what drink am I going to be able to get with $4? I'm not sure, because the ones that I usually get do not cost me $4 unless I get the small cup. So, we're going to color in, like we did last time, the 2 50s. It's just something about seeing the cash for me. Something about it. Seeing it in my bank account is nice too, don't get me wrong. But touching it, feeling it, looking at it, the green, I don't know. But it is. But it does something to me. Okay, so the iPad got died, but we are done with that portion of this video. So, we're going to put this back in the purse like I stated. And we have now the 4 envelopes. 1, 2. Oop. Oh, there we go. 1, 2. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 envelopes that we have stuffed so far for the month of January. We are doing so good. We're doing so good, you guys. I'm excited. I've accomplished in 1 month of my 52-week stuffing, cash envelope stuffing challenge. I'm happy about that. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. So I want to go ahead and introduce you guys to another challenge, well, 2 other challenges that I'm going to be starting in February. They're also savings challenges, of course. So here is one of them. This is the 100 envelope that I spoke about. 100 envelope cash saving challenge that I spoke about in the first video I made for you guys. So I put start date January, which I did start, but I kind of stopped because I wanted to focus on the 2-week challenge. But we're gonna come back to this. So this one's actually in my account already. So I need to pull this cash out to put into the envelope. So I just like I said, I just like having the envelopes. We'll see how that goes. If I feel comfortable not to keep holding them in my envelopes or not, or putting it into my bank account, because I have a separate account for my savings challenges that I'm gonna dump all the money in by the end of the year. But anyways, so I've already put 11 and 12, and this is a challenge that does not require me to stuff every week. This is just whenever throughout the year. So whenever I want to stuff this amount, I can stuff it. It's just 100 envelopes, and I believe it adds up to, I'm not sure, to be honest, I can't remember what it was. So let's see how much it is, because I don't remember the amount that's supposed to be at the end. So I'm gonna add it all up for you. I'll take care of you. Okay, so this is what the total is supposed to be. I think it's supposed to be a little bit over 5,000. I might have put some numbers in incorrectly. I'm not sure, but this is going to be roughly what the amount is supposed to be towards the end of this challenge. This is going to be another challenge. Like I said, I'm going to start in February of 2022 when I go back to work, because, honey, I can't do all these challenges with just DoorDash. I mean, I could, but I just don't. I'm not that proactive, to be honest. So I have envelopes over here as well. Let me show you guys. So these are my 100 envelope challenge envelopes. I made them smaller than the original ones that I have, just to keep everything organized and separated and knowing the difference. These are all the numbers right here. It is 11 through 100. Yep. And then last but not least is the 3rd challenge that I want to start. I think we're gonna start in February, but I don't know just yet. We have to see how the money is coming in. My job is gonna be paying us more than what we were getting paid this year, so I'm happy about that. It's gonna be easy for me to save, of course, with more money coming in. So this is gonna be the other challenge that I want to do. This is 3,000 savings in 30 days. I'm not sure which month I'm gonna do this in. I should do it in April, because that is the month before my birthday month. And that will be nice to have some extra money just to splurge on myself. That would be a good idea. So I don't know. Let's see if I'm going to do it April and March. I don't want to do it in March. Which month is taxes? We get our taxes back in February or March. I don't know. But I might do this in April once I got into a rhythm of going back to work, and you know, my side hustle as well. Once I get back into a rhythm, I'll see if that's going to be realistic to do, because like none of these challenges are supposed to be here to stress us out. We're here to help ourselves become better in 2022. But here are the envelopes for that challenge. They're just 30 of them, numbered randomly with what you see on the chart. And it's just one a day. So this is very, very realistic for a lot of people to do, as long as you just put the money up, you know, or just delegate how much you're going to set aside if you get paid bi-weekly. This is the 3,030 days challenge. This is the 100 envelope challenge. And then we have this challenge we've already started, which is the 52-week honeycomb 10,000 savings challenge. So those are all of my savings challenges that I'll be doing this year, and I want to share that with you guys. I didn't think I was going to share all these challenges, but I'm going to go ahead and just share them. And we're going to try our best to succeed. Get close to the finish line, get close to the goals. I just want to bring you guys along with me on this journey. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.